Good morning. I am Dr.D.Sathya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the interesting polymeric topic nylon 66 and Teflon. So, the exploring nylon 66 and Teflon, we know about the nylon is used in different applications. So, it's used in industries and also the physical properties strength and very strength and flexibility. So, we are going to discuss about nylons. So, the empathy of nylon, it's a synthetic polyamide. Amide means NH2 group. So, it's a synthetic amide. It's developed by DuPont in 1935. It's widely used in polyamide. It's a better replacement for fabrics. The cost also it's very effective. So the nylon 66 polymerization process, so prepare the nylon salt solution and heat under the pressure and also the condensation process. So already we are discussed in previous slide what is the nylon 66. Why it's called a nylon 66? Because the hexamethylene diamine is a one type of chemical compound and other react with adipic acid. So the hexamethylene diamine react with the adipic acid to form a nylon 66. This process is a condensation process because the two chemical compound condensed together to form a polymer. So the 66 means 6 carbons in hexamethylene diamine, 6 carbons in adipic acid. That's why we called it nylon 66. So undergo the condensation polymerization, the amide linkage formation will be formed. After that the water will be released. So the first step, preparation of nylon salt solution under the heat pressure, condensation polymerization, amide linkage is formed and water will be released. So this is the process. This is also preparation. We have discussed in previous lecture adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. This is the condensation process. So these are the properties of nylon 66. So the hygroscopic, it's a very hygroscopic and high strength. The elasticity will be a very stress and returns to the original shape. Chemical resistance, high melting point is suitable for high temperature applications because it have the high melting point. Application of nylon 66, we know about nylon 66 is we have used in molded parts and some industrial applications and electrical components, textile industry and automotive industry. So the lot of industry we are using nylon 66. The next important compound is Teflon. So the Teflon means polytetrafluoroethylene. So this compound will be low friction and non-sticky, biocompatible and flexibility and resisting. So where the Teflon will be used in our home? You know about the Teflon. So in all non-stick cookwares we are using the Teflon coating. Monomer preparation. So the monomer will be tetrafluoroethylene. So the fluoroethylene will be act as a monomer to form a Teflon compounds. That means polytetrafluoroethylene is a polymer, tetrafluoroethylene is a monomer. So nylon 66 polymerization process, the same adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine heat under the pressure, nylon 66 and water. So the preparation of polytetrafluoroethylene or Teflon, so undergoes tetrafluoroethylene, the presence of acetyl peroxide to form a Teflon. These are the Teflon properties, whether the resistance and low friction and also the chemical resistance, non-stick properties and high heat resistance. So we are using the Teflon is a cooking vessels. We are using So the application of Teflon used as a automotive industries and chemical industry, electrical industries and also the defense applications and aerospace technology, food processing. So these are the applications of Teflon. This is a SMS question. So here I have attached the reference. So thank you. So we are discussed about the nylon, Teflon, what is the preparation and polymerization process and also the application of nylon and Teflon. So nylon and Teflon is a very important polymer in day-to-day life because in lot of things we are using the nylon, and Teflon is also, it's a very good important property in cooking vessels. That's why we are using the Teflon as a coating in non-stick pan and all. But its temperature will be the high temperature 373 Kelvin. So we can't heat above the 300 degrees Celsius. It will be a peel up of the non-stick cookwares. So we have used non-stick, it's not a problem, but we have to overheat, it will be a induce some dangers for our health. So it's very important thing is the Teflon is also, it's a high temperature, that's why we are using the non-stick pans and all. Nylon 66 is also, it's very good in applications in also nowadays we are using day-to-day life. So thank you so